Residents of Ponda are coming together to revive the town's carnival celebration after expressing disappointment over the government's decision to exclude Ponda from official carnival parade and lack of financial grants in recent years. To keep the tradition alive and support local artists, the Ponda People Carnival Committee has decided to organize a public-supported carnival parade on February 16. Organizers say repeated requests for government assistance have not received a response, forcing locals to step in. The parade will begin from Tisk-Ponda and conclude at the old bus stand, promising vibrant floats, music and cultural performance. Locals believe Ponda, known for its rich artistic and cultural participation, deserves equal recognition and support like other towns hosting carnival celebrations. Residents are now appealing for community participation and contribution to ensure the success of this event.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.